All right, welcome to the last video of this chapter. In it, we'll prove Theorem 1.5.1. Part 1 is going to be done in the assignment. I'm going to look at part 2. So if you look back, in part 2, we said that the derivative of arcsine was 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. That's what we want to prove. So let's take y to be arcsine of x. We want to prove that y prime is 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. All right, let's start. I'm going to take, since y equals arcsine, that means sine of y equals x. And now I'm going to take the derivative of both sides, thinking of x as my variable. So here the derivative of x is 1. Derivative of sine is cosine of y, but since it's y inside, not x, I have to multiply by the derivative of the interior, which is y prime. And so this is what I'm trying to prove is 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. All right, since I'm after y prime, let's isolate y prime. I get 1 over cosine of y. And so if I remember what y was, that means the derivative is 1 over cosine of arcsine of x. All right, so this part is an inverse trig inside a trig, so we're going to simplify this. Using a triangle. All right, so I'm going to call it theta just because that's what we're used to. I'm going to take theta to be arc sine of x, so that means sine theta is x. That's opposite over hypotenuse. So when I build my triangle, sorry, this was meant to be a straight line. When I build my right triangle, theta is here. I'm going to have x, hypotenuse, I'm going to take it to be 1. And then adjacent plus x squared is 1 squared. So a is square root of 1 minus x squared. That's from Pythagoras. All right, I want cosine of theta. That's adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is square root of 1 minus x squared. Adjacent is 1. And so we get square root of 1 minus x squared. Right, so let's go back to this part here. We had that y prime is 1 over cos theta. And so that's 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. All right, so here's the proof. Make sure you understand it because you'll have to do something similar for arctan on the assignment. All right, thank you. I'll see you next. Next video will be on chapter 2. Will be on L'Hopital's rule.